Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. In today's video, we'll create 3 super easy, trendy wedding hairstyles. But in order to show you how well will go together these hairstyles with a wedding dress, this video is in collaboration with JJ's House. JJ's House specialized in making dresses for wedding special occasions since 2007 and now is leading international online retailer. When I got this sequin dress, I was so impressed. The quality of this dress is just awesome. I didn't expect that I can even wear it for my wedding. They can custom your dress for your size. This is actually insane because you wear it and you can go to your special occasion without even shorten it or something like that. You can see it even from the video how nicely it sparkles, but in real life it's just so beautiful. Trust me. Guys, I have for you a discount code, 10% off your purchase, which is awesome10. I'll leave all the information in the info bar. Make sure to check it out and don't miss your favorite beautiful dress for your special occasion. Honestly, in my country, these type of dresses are just so expensive. Such a beautiful dress begins from at least 1000, guys, not 200. Also, guys, as you can see from my videos, my hair is not that thick and not that long as I wish it could be, but for this reason I used Gugu wire hair extensions, 18 inches bleach blonde balayage. Gugu hair is dedicated to the development of the high quality hair extensions. They provide with the highest quality human hair extensions to make your dreams come true. And of course, I have for you 15% of your purchase with our discount code ZINA15. All the information about JJ's House and Gugu hair I'll leave in the info bar. Make sure to check it out. But now let's start with our first hairstyle, which is so requested this year: loose Hollywood waves. Okay, for this we'll need a curling wand or a curling tongue. Mine is 28 millimeters, 180 degrees Celsius. But guys, if you have natural non-colored hair, make sure to use at least 25 millimeters, a high temperature, so this way it will stay in place. I'll suggest you for this hairstyle 200 degrees Celsius, but of course this depends on your hair as well, of its quality. Also, before starting, I'm using some thermal protection. I'm brushing it through my hair. As you can see, I'm sectioning my hair first, and then I'm distributing some hairspray on it and brushing it. Make sure before making the waves your hair is detangled. And let's get started. When you do these waves, make sure to you bring your hair up, twist it, and then twist it around the barrel once, and then again bring it up, twist it same way, and bring it over your barrel. So basically this is the technique for Hollywood wave. Make sure to twist it each time you are bringing your hair around your barrel and you are up. I hope that this makes sense. I'll show you 2 of my waves so you can see what I'm doing. Hold into your hand your curl before releasing it. This way your wave will stay in place more time. Also, guys, if your hair is natural, heavy, make sure to pin it or clip it until it cools down. This way you'll make sure, again like I said, that your waves will stay in place all day long. Also, guys, don't take too big and too thick sections, so you are making sure that you are heating all your hair. Okay, you want to make the same steps for all these curls until all your hair is curly. Also, guys, I'll suggest you to make the waves just only one way. For example, if you make it towards your face, just continue this all your head doing like that. I'm changing it because it's kind of hard to make it on yourself, but if you make this hairstyle on your friend or somebody else, make sure to twist your hair one way, all hair on this head, okay? So we'll keep repeating these steps. You just bring your hair around your barrel, and each time you are up, you make sure to twist the hair before bringing it around your barrel. I hope this makes sense. So we'll keep continue these steps over and over again, of course. I just forgot to mention one more important thing. When you reach your top crown section, make sure to back comb your hair and then smoothing on upper section on your top. This way you'll kind of gather all your waves together and you'll lift a little bit your crown, so it will create a nice shape of your hairstyle. Also, when you are making a special occasion hairstyle, I'll suggest you to use some dry shampoo so your hairstyle will look nice and fresh. For this hairstyle, we will need a central straight parting, and I'll show you in a moment why. When our curls are ready, we need to use some hairspray and then leave them until our curls will cool down. And then I'm using a hair sparkler, or if you don't have one, you can use some smoothing product, smoothing cream. If you don't have smoothing cream, you can use just a little bit of hair oil, but a little bit, guys. Distribute it. You want to brush your curls and transform them into Hollywood waves. As I said, we have now a central straight parting, right? Now we want to use some cream or oil to smooth out these two sections in the front. Make sure to brush it well, and then bringing these two sections in the back, you want to tie them using a clear elastic. Now this trick will work for those with no bangs, but I have some bangs, so I'm using some bobby pins on both sides to fix in place my bangs, of course. And our relaxed Hollywood waves are ready. For our next Hollywood waves low ponytail, we want to make a central straight parting, then use some smoothing product. I'll use some cream, you can use some oil too, and then you want to smooth out your crown section and tie a low ponytail using a clear elastic. You can double or triple them, so this way you'll make sure it will not break. Then you want to grab a small section of hair from underneath, make sure to use again some smoothing product, brush it, and then you want to hold your elastic underneath and then wrap your strand around it and then tuck her into the elastic underneath. I like this technique more than using a bobby pin because it will stay secure all day long. Then you can brush your ponytail, but make sure to be gentle so you'll not ruin your curls. And you're done. For our next wedding bun, we want to make our parting, smooth out everything, and tie a very low ponytail. Then you want to grab the end of your comb like I'm showing, and then bring a little bit up your hair, so this way you are making everything nice and smooth, and also you can give it some volume to our crown section. Now you want to grab a small section from our donut sponge. Basically you unravel it and just cut how much you need of it, and then you want to simply tie it like tying a simple elastic. Then you want to pin it in place from the sides because this will be our base. Then grabbing your ponytail, you want to divide it into two like I'm showing, twist one of the section, and then grabbing a pin, you want to bring it to one side, covering how much you can of the base, and then you want to still twisting and pin it in place using grips and bobby pins. Make sure to use enough of them, pull it little by little to create a voluminous bun, and also you want to hide the ends. Then you want to grab your second section, want to again twist it and bring it up. Use a grip or a pin to fix it well in place and then bring it back down. You want to twist it all around the base and pin it in place using grips and bobby pins to cover our base. Then you want to hide the ends and then pinning everything nicely. You want to use some hairspray to fix our bun in place, and you're basically done. I really hope you enjoyed all today's hairstyle. They are so simple but so gorgeous looking. You can wear them for any special occasion, even you are the bride, so you look fantastic. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, because you know guys, inspire me so much to do more hairstyles. Don't forget to check out my info bar for Google hair and JJ's house dresses. I wish you all to have a very beautiful events wearing these beautiful hairstyles. But that's it for today guys, and you know, I love you so much and see you soon in my next video. Mwah! Bye.